Hello guys, this is Vaish. So the Plums episode, today is Sunday, February 5, and we will do current affairs as always. Okay, so we have covered June, July, August, September and all. Now we are doing October current affairs. So I'll show you 5 MCQs, but now before that, 2023 aspirants, it is time to get serious because the notification has come, and this time there is a one-time registration which you have to do, and we have done in two videos what is one-time registration and what is the 2023 clauses and syllabus and all these things. So please watch those two videos. If you are 2024 25 and all, you have to first do the foundation. 23 students also has to do that, but I am sure if you are already connected with me, you have already done it. If not, please WhatsApp and get this, okay, and simply type it. Also you will get the playlist, but better to WhatsApp me. I'll give you the list or order of videos in which you have to watch it. Okay, so now, as I told, the economic survey has come, budget has come, notification has come, our final batch has come, and still, if you're not serious, then maybe this year you will not make it. Okay, so this is not to demotivate you; it's actually to motivate those students who are having that urge or that consistency to study. Okay, those who are simply sitting lazy and just thinking that okay, still I'll somehow clear prelims. That is not going to happen. You have to study every single day. Okay, minimum 4 to 5 hours. If you don't give for studies now, because only 4 months are left for your prelims, you will not clear. Okay, so please take it seriously and start now. Okay, immediately. If tomorrow if you have not planned, make a timetable now. Like I'll wake up at this time, I will do this notes, I'll do NCRT, I will do test series. Please make that idea and then only sleep today. Okay, so please watch everybody's playlist, and everything is completely free. We are trying to make all our students pass the prelims with ease. That is why this is given for free. Okay, and this is the WhatsApp number. WhatsApp me and get the foundation, then only watch the lectures. Okay, so question number 1, which is based on current affairs. Which of the following are true about UN Human Rights High Commissioner? Okay, so this one is an important body. The office was created in 1945 under Bretton Woods Convention. He or she is mandated to promote and protect the universal exercise and full realization of human rights across the world as established in UN Charter. Third one, traditionally, the UN chief consults with the permanent members of the UN Security Council, that is UNSC, before selecting a high commissioner. Okay, so this one is again interesting question and very important topic for you. So this is static features which I have given, and why it is asked, I'll tell you why the news item is there. Okay, but it is a static question and it is applicable for anybody who is preparing for UPSC, no matter which year you are preparing for. So here, if you see, if you can eliminate one statement, then it's a very easy question. Okay, but which one to eliminate is the problem, because everything is very detailed and lengthy statement. You have to catch that what is that thing which is wrong about UN Human Rights High Commissioner. So here, Bretton Woods Convention is about some other bodies, the World Bank, IMF and all. So, and this is not a very old body also. Okay, so that if you knew, you could eliminate statement 1 and you will get the answer as 2 and 3. Okay, UPSC questions will be like this only. That one statement only you have to catch, because UNHRC is formed only in 1993. Okay, this office was created in 1993. So don't confuse with the High Commissioner and Human Rights Commissioner and the Refugee Commissioner and all. Both are, because then letters are HRC and RHC and all. Some people confuse Refugee Commission with Human Rights Commission. Both are different. Okay, and the second statement is correct. He is mandated to promote and protect all these things across the world as per the UN Charter. And the news item now is the UN Secretary General will propose the appointment of this Austria's person as the next High Commissioner, and he will succeed this person of Chile, whose this thing is ending in August 31. Now, traditionally, the UN chief consults the permanent members. Who are the permanent members? China, Russia, France, UK and US. Okay, India also ideally deserve to be here, and hopefully in the next 1 or 2 years you will see that movement going on. Like India is being, because of China only we are not getting that, because they will do the veto power and not allow. Else India deserves to be in the permanent group. Okay. Now India is a non-permanent member. So the appointment of this person is approved by UNGA. Okay, that also you have to know. They approve it. UNGA means everyone are there inside that. All the members are there inside that. UNSC is different. UNSC is only 15 members will be there. 5 permanent members and 10 non-permanent members. Okay, but UNGA, everyone in every country will be there inside that. So here again details about that person is given, and this is in the newspaper. Okay. So next question, second. Phalgu river seen in news passes through which holy city in India? Okay, so rivers are the most favorite topic of UPSC, and every river which comes in news, you have to know whether it's a main river, it's a tributary, where it is located, what it passes through. All these things you have to know. So here, Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu, Gaya in Bihar, Amritsar in Punjab, Guruvayur in Kerala. So all are important places. This also, like a match the following, they can ask. So you have learned 4 places in 4 locations. That is also a learning for you. So here, this particular river, okay, this name, if you know, you will, or if you are in that city, it will be easy for you. Else it will be difficult. Okay, so here answer is C. That is, it should be actually Gaya, Bihar. Okay, this is actually a typo. So it should be B. Okay, because this is in Jharkhand, you can tell Jharkhand Bihar area. It originates in this district of Jharkhand. It passes through the holy city of Gaya in Bihar, and significance in Hindu and Buddhist religion. Length is this much, and starts near Gaya at the confluence of this Lilajan river and Mohana river, and finally joins this Punpun river. So this figure, okay, in your mind you should have what is it joining and how it is, and that is what UPSC also focused on. So now what happened is India's largest rubber dam and a steel bridge over the Falgu river was inaugurated by the Bihar Chief Minister. Okay, foundation was laid in 2020 and now it's completed. Now you know bridges and roads and tunnels and the infrastructure, especially because Nitin Gadkari is the minister. He's one of the most excellent minister, I will tell, which we have in our current cabinet. Okay, in Modi's cabinet, I don't know about other ministers, but this person is revolutionizing our infrastructure, our railways, our transport, everything. Railway, we have a separate ministry, but still the coordination with this road department and the railway department and tunnels and bridges and infrastructure is excellent. Okay, even in electric vehicles and all these things, the transport sector and logistics sector, India is doing very, very good. The recent budget also which came in, that you will see everything is green related. We are going to revolutionize in the next many years. Okay, so that is why you have to know anything which comes in news related to any new infrastructure. Okay, in your mains also it's very, very important. You can use all these points to write in the answer. Now question number 3, Crop and Food Security Assessment Mission report was jointly published by. So this one, Food and Agriculture Organization and WFP, UN Sustainable Solution and World Bank, OECD and WTO, International Food Information Council, and Safe Foods. So this one again, if you have not done it, it may be difficult. In exam hall you can try because it's food related. Maybe you can eliminate this, you can eliminate this, but still again you will be stuck with these two because you have not read about it. Okay, so this again, because it is by very popular bodies, answer is A, and you should be knowing it. Okay, if it was a report by these particular bodies which is very insignificant, then I agree that it's a tough question. But because it is by these two which are important bodies, including UN involvement is there, you should be knowing it. Okay, so here this report was jointly published, and in that all the crisis in Sri Lanka, Pakistan and all, food security, hunger related, all that thing, including inflation, animal husbandry, everything is listed. So few points I've given here which you can read, and it is picked from Down to Earth. Okay, Down to Earth is a very important magazine. I'll try to do a video of how to read it or why is it important. Now question number 4, Raja Mircha or King Chilli, often seen in news, relates to which state of India? Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Nagaland. So here everywhere spices are there, chili varieties are there in India. Some of them have GI tag also. So that is a separate topic. You have to know all the chilies and match the following type. But here, Raja Mircha, which was in news now, is related to which state? Okay, like Andhra, it is sometimes called the king of chilies or something is there. Okay, like spice capital kind of one term is there for that. But here the answer is not that. Here the answer is D, Nagaland. So in Naga Mirchi is popularly known as Raja Mirchi, King Chilli, one of the top 5 hottest chilies on the Scoville heat unit. Okay, so this is a learning for you. This is like we tell like degree Celsius and this thing Kelvin for temperature, normal temperature and all. For measuring chilliness or how spicy it is, right? For that, this is the unit. This is the measure which they use. Okay, internationally also. So it received GI tag Nagaland 2008. It is known by different names. It belongs to this genre and it is this much long. This is the spiciness level, that SHU which I told. Okay, and the inaugural edition of Naga Mircha Festival was organized. That is why it is in news. So this is the first ever organized in this village, and event was sponsored by these things. These are not important. Okay, what happened there is not important, but you should know it is in Nagaland. Question number 5. 2021 Global Estimates for Modern Slavery Report. Okay, so one more report. I'm planning to make a full series of reports, free course for you, so that in the prelims, whatever report UPSC asks, we would have covered it. Okay, I will cover everything which came in the news in the last 6-8 months, so that I'm compiling. So when prelims is nearing, I'll try to publish it in YouTube itself. Okay, so this was released by UNIDO, WEF, ILO, or World Bank. So again, popular bodies. When popular bodies, okay, they release something, you are supposed to know. If it was something like Red Cross or maybe Economist or something newspaper, then it is not important. But because it's UN bodies or world-related bodies, you have to know every report they release in the 12 months before your prelims exam. So here, slavery, so something related to labor, and that guess if you take, answer is correct. Okay. That can be applied in case you want to give a try in exam halls, you can try, but every time it may not work. Okay, because here again industry is there, so maybe that you will get confused and you will not know what to do. So here ILO is a UN agency involved in the promotion of social and economic justice by setting up international labor standard. See, it's one of the oldest body also. It is founded in October 1919 under the League of Nations. League of Nations is something which after World War I they set up. Okay, after World War II only UN came. But before that, there was something called League of Nations. Under that, this was set up. So that much old body is ILO. Okay. So now this report was released by ILO, and they are telling about forced labor, modern slavery, and many statistics are given. This again for your mains it is important. Okay. Again, as I told, down to earth. From there only I took these questions. So please see to it that you are covering this. UPSC questions will be tough, but it will not be tougher than our test series. And our test series we give the maximum toughness level so that you can easily clear the prelims. Okay, so read newspaper daily, solve a good test series, solve maximum question paper including previous year paper, and see to it that every subject is covered. Okay, and you can WhatsApp us and get this subject wise things also. Different packages I have designed so that nobody fails in prelims. Okay, so these are different packages based on different months, and even other subjects you can watch in other plums episode. Every day a new plums episode is coming. So like that, tomorrow again Monday I will do history. Okay, so that time we'll see. Thank you and have a nice day.